This is a story about my sixth lucid dream, where for the first time, I felt like I was trapped in a dream. It starts on a dark street. I was walking around with some friends when it got darker and darker. Out of nowhere, I had a feeling that I was in a dream. As my friends kept walking away from me, I crouched down and then jumped off the street, flying. But after a few seconds, I felt a small drop of doubt, and that was enough for me to feel fear. I started slowing down and falling back to the ground at an extremely slow speed, as if it were slow motion. I woke up, or at least I thought I did. I was on my bed, but I couldn't move an inch. I heard footsteps coming closer and closer. All of a sudden, someone turned on the lights. I found myself lying on some containers, unable to move, while people were shooting at each other like a Call of Duty game. I kept trying to move, but my body just wouldn't respond. All of a sudden, I woke up, and this time, I could move. I walked outside, turning on the lights to find my cousin sleeping over. Everything seemed normal. I walked towards my room, then looked back at my cousin and, wait, where did my cousin go? At that moment, I freaked out and became paralyzed while standing. I began falling over again in slow motion. I woke up. Like the first time, I couldn't move at all. Out of nowhere, I started hearing children singing a very creepy song, and I could tell that it was being played from my phone on the floor next to my bed. I felt someone coming closer to me from the direction of the song. I began to panic, trying to move. The song kept getting louder, and the person got closer, and then I woke up. It felt like I finally woke up for real this time. I could move. I turned on the lights and opened my door to find my dad standing right outside the door, and I immediately became paralyzed while standing again. And like before, I woke up paralyzed. This time, I knew that I wasn't actually awake. I was stuck in some sort of dream loop that wanted to torture and flay my soul. That, or it wanted to scare me to death, because I'm pretty sure my heartbeat was going at 200 beats per minute. With everything I had, I tried my best to move, but all I could do was move my head. My head turned left, then right, then left again and right again. I kept repeating the motion faster and faster until I finally woke up, jerking my head left and right as I did in my dream. I was sweating and breathing hard, but it felt like a distinctive difference from the dreams. I got off my bed and heard the toilet being flushed, but it was 4 a.m. I felt extremely sensitive to fear because of the dream, so I hit up a friend who never sleeps and tried to stay calm. The terror was over. And that was my sixth lucid dream, guys. I obviously wasn't lucid the entire time. It was just at the beginning and at the end. I've never experienced this many false awakenings in my life ever to this date. This dream was now over 6 years ago. I have had sleep paralysis in my dreams since then, and somehow I always end up being able to move with enough willpower now. I journal my dreams very frequently, so if you'd like to hear more dream stories, let me know in the comments. I'm very interested if anyone else has experienced what I have, so let me know in the comments about that too. For now, I hope you liked this short dream story. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.